Do you want to unlock the secret to boundless energy and focus? Welcome to Beyond Average Success. Today we're talking about how prioritizing our health through nutritious eating habits will set us up for success. The first way healthy eating improves productivity is by providing stable energy levels. We've all experienced that mid-afternoon crash where we just can't keep our eyes open. The culprit behind this? It can often be our diet. Junk foods can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, which leads to fatigue. In contrast, if we eat balanced meals consisting of protein, grains, fruits, and vegetables, we'll be able to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. The foods we consume are what fuels our body with energy. Healthy foods can provide more energy. The more energy we have, the more productive we can be. The more productive we are, the sooner we'll achieve our goals. Next, let's look at brain function. There are certain foods that will help slow cognitive decline, such as green veggies, improve memory, such as berries or walnuts, and offer better mental function, which includes caffeinated beverages such as tea or coffee. Furthermore, healthy eating can also aid in improving sleep quality. For example, certain types of red grapes contain melatonin, which helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Better sleep means waking up refreshed and ready to tackle tasks efficiently. Lastly is a boosted immune system. A strong immune system keeps us healthy and less prone to illnesses that can derail our productivity. For example, foods high in vitamin C, such as oranges, can promote the production of white blood cells, which aids the body to protect against infections. Eating right is an investment in ourselves because health is our most valuable form of currency. Keep in mind that we're not healthcare professionals. All information provided is research based and from our own experiences. Always consult with your doctor before making any lifestyle changes. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You're not alone on this journey. Here at Beyond Average Success, you'll find community, support, and inspiration as you pursue your goals. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a way of life. So keep learning, keep growing, keep believing in yourself, and you will certainly achieve beyond average success.